Hello. So today I am discussing about curtailing dropout rates and ensuring universal access to education at all levels according to National Education Policy 2020. Now if you see this, the dropping rate per 100, 7.1% in male, and in female it is 5.1%. So percent of all dropouts, if you see that, it is very high. So what is the present situation in the India? Dropout after grade 5 and especially after grade 8 is more. 57% of the girl students drop out of schools by class A11. Before reaching to the 11th class, so more 57% girls will drop out. Number of out of school children in the age group according to NSSO in 2017 and 18 between 6 to 17 years, that is around a 3.22 crores. So this is how you can improve or reduce the dropout rate in India by organizing different kinds of activities. So what is the plan to reduce a dropout rate? Improving the infrastructure that provide a very effective and sufficient infrastructure, more space, everything should be there. Reach out to the root level of a community, insist the parents to send their children without fail to the schools. Universal participation in school. So every child, whether it is a rich or poor, male or female, everyone should participate in the school activities. Provide a very good quality education to each and every children. So provide a career and technical educations from the beginning only. That is skill education. That is must. Use a technology to engage the students when they are in the school or where they are in their home. So all this can be achieved only if there is a teacher and pupil ratio must be 1:20. So this is the biggest problem in the India, and we have to increase the appointment of the trained teacher. Creating interest in attending the school among the children, and this can be done a development of curriculum relevant to the needs of the student. Avoid a single classroom. In certain villages we have seen in the same classroom, so there are 1, 2, 3rd, 4th class students will sit together. So this should be avoided. Reduce academic pressure from school and parents. So here one
Welcome
example
to the biology
I am trying to show
activity by 9th class
how
soil
you can
erosion.
increase the
Take 2
activity.
trays filled with the soil. Grow one of the tray with the plants for a 15 days and bring to the activity.
Take the
Now
students
pour the
in the
water
natural
on both
field.
the tray from the height and observe the amount of soil flow along with the water in both the tray. When you compare both the tray, so there is a more amount of soil will flow along with the water, the soil which does not covered with plants. So this indicates the plants prevent soil erosion. Thank you.
तुम्ही इकडे या. तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भूलना नहीं पीछे आने का. 1, 2, गड़बड़ भी नहीं. 1, 2, 3.
थोड़ा पीछे तालियां होना चाहिए, तालियां होना
This
चाहिए।
way we can create interest among the students and teachers. Definitely, it will help to reduce the dropout rate in our schools.
Yes.
Learning by
Shake your
by giving learn
as lifespans
to our schools and make the learning enjoyable. Thank you, one and all.